I really focus in on the empowerment, self-empowerment, leadership, really giving people the validation and knowledge to succeed and have an easier path. So for groups that are looking to advance, people that want to be better, people that are looking for hope and empathy, but having fun while we're doing it, that's really where I focus in on presentations, workshops, or even engagements.
The best final exam we could ever have, a practical course in fighting magical creatures? Like, how much fun would that be?
I generally specialize in process improvement and automation, but from an educational aspect. I really want to help people find tips and tricks that they can incorporate to make their personal or professional lives just go a little bit easier.
Your glass of water only holds so much water, regardless of how fast someone pours into it. Stop trying to drink while they're pouring to keep up.
I really get excited when I see people make the connection. They see the value, they see a different way, or in some cases, they get hope. They get the validation that what they're going through is real, and there's others who have survived that, so there's a way out for them. I'm starting to think I might be a robot. Like, which ones contain a traffic signal? Do we count the post? Like, I'm a BA, like, does the post count? I can see one down at the next street, does that count? If you are looking for somebody who is boring and is going to read off slides, I'm not your person. If you're looking for somebody who is engaging, dynamic, fun, can really connect people with the topics, I'd be a good choice for you. You've got to figure out what your capacity is. You are not being hired to get anything and everything done. You're being hired for a certain amount of effort, giving your best possible quality in that time, so flip the script.